Tired of clicking through menus just to filter data? Let's fix that with Autofilter by selection. One shortcut, instant results. Let's jump right in. First, click the small drop-down on the Quick Access Toolbar. Go to More Commands. Choose Commands not in the ribbon. Find Autofilter. Now click Add. Note its position number. In my case it's 6, so my shortcut is Alt+6. Then hit OK. Let's test it. Click any cell you want to filter, and press Alt+6. Boom, Excel shows only that value. If you want to filter by number condition, in the empty cell below your column, type a condition, like greater than, equals, 15,000. Click that cell, and press Alt+6. Excel shows only rows matching the rule. To filter by wildcards, type a pattern, below your column. Press Alt+6, it shows only 2-letter data. If these Excel tricks saved you time, smash like, share with your team, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more smart Excel hacks.